Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Mossy key grounded, only way. Start at the swamp portal, defeat the ancient guardian, and pick up the Mossy key immediately. Walk directly to the grounding altar while avoiding hostile zones and environmental resets. Keep the key away from water and lava and stay in a safe party to prevent drops. Place the key on the altar and confirm the grounding sound before leaving the area. Move with intention and prioritize survival when carrying the Mossy key to the altar. Equip a shield, healing items, and lightweight armor to reduce encumbrance and fall risk. Use stealth or ranged attacks to avoid close contact with the guardian and limit key drops. If possible, travel with a teammate who can clear paths, distract enemies, and revive you quickly if something goes wrong during transfer to the altar. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading guides and notes on the go, and it pairs nicely with long grinding sessions between runs. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals so you can pick one up if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Watch out for common mistakes that cause failed groundings and wasted runs. Lingering and hazardous biomess risks environmental resets, and aggressive mounts or vehicles can glitch and drop the key unexpectedly. Splitting from your party often leads to ambushes and lost keys, so stay coordinated. If you must sprint, communicate timing clearly and ensure the altar is visible before separating. Always double-check your inventory before interacting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.